Hello everyone, this is a DIY video for a Open Auto Pro. I installed this in a Pontiac Grand Prix 2004 model. I used to have just a standard CD player, so I needed to upgrade, and I figured time is now. What I have here is a Raspberry Pi Model 4, and I also have like a miniature fan in the back of this and a Pi Easy Connect board that fits right over top with some heat sinks and a USB dongle for the sound, as well as a Bluetooth dongle so I can connect my phone. You've probably seen shortly that my phone connected. I'm just kind of showing here, like, this is the home screen. I haven't tested the telephone yet, but I'm sure it does connect. I haven't set up a microphone inside the car yet, so I really haven't tested that whole area. But I use an iPhone, so Android Auto I can't use, but I can use music, like Bluetooth music. I can go to my area, and the good thing about it is, like, when I connect to Wi-Fi, since I'm near my house, and the Pi connects to my home Wi-Fi as well, like, it automatically downloads the album art of the artist I play. So like here's an artist, that I listen to, but their album shows up pretty nice, the track and title. I did have to install a basic amplifier into this sound system so that I can get sound, because there wasn't one installed. Forgot to have the key in the ignition. So everything's touchscreen. I'm using a Raspberry Pi touchscreen, 7-inch. I was able to get also like an in-dash unit that kind of really helps use this Pi screen, so everything's solidly connected and on there. Ain't really gonna go anywhere. Really like it overall. Looking forward to maybe in the future to upgrade to an Android phone so that I can use Android Auto. Equalizer works really good, I still yet haven't hooked up my backup camera. That will be coming in a later video. I'll update you guys how I do that. I actually have, what I'm using is a Raspberry Pi camera. Got a female HDMI connection, so I already have like a HDMI cable running throughout the entire car all the way to the rear. I just have to connect that to the rear trunk. Other than that, this is a really cool project. The software, I'll post a link in the description of all the gear and stuff I bought for this project, as well as the software. The software is really awesome. They update it every couple months. Right now this is a 7.0 version. I think it's up to 8.0 right now. So they're really on top of their application, and it really works really awesome. So, like, the nice thing about it is, like, if I wanted to go back to the computer, I could just hit the return button and I'm back to the computer, and I can transfer files and stuff. I have also installed a USB port here on the bottom, so I can put USB in here and transfer files to the Pi itself as well. But there it is. And if I want to go back, I just go back to there. But good project. If you have any questions, or if you want to leave a comment, leave it down below, or also give this video a like if you really liked it. But stay tuned, and I'll give an update about the backup camera that I will install within the next couple weeks. Take care.